What's up, JMO fam, and welcome back to the Daily Dose of Nature. Today we have an American flag, pretty cool. Just love my country, you know. Do you love your country? Well, of course you do. If you're watching this and you click off right now, you don't love your country. And I also want to talk about something. I want to say screw you, YouTube, for you kept on taking down my food review video. I wanted to post a video for you guys, but YouTube kept on taking it down. And it really sucked because they kept on saying it doesn't follow their guidelines, but nothing was bad about it. It was a perfectly PG like my other videos. So that's pretty much all I have to say today. Screw you, YouTube, and peace out.